Hunt out big silverfish through simple tricks that actually work. Hey guys, I am your name, back at it with some handsome fishing tips. When the weather heats up, your hands start itching to catch big silverfish like silver carp and bighead carp. You've probably seen those massive catches online and thought, how do they do it? Don't you worry, I've got you covered. Today I am sharing 4 simple, yet deadly effective tricks I've used over the years with the hunter rod. These are all practical tips straight from the water. Gear setup, lines and hooks. Lines I use a single continuous line. Why? Because these baits are big and soft. Casting heavy baits with multiple sections often fails mid-air. A single, smooth line sends the bait perfectly to the target. When a fish bites, you feel it instantly. Leader line, always long, at least 60 厘米. Why? Silverfish feed on clouded baits. A longer leader lets the bait drift naturally, slowly dispersing, attracting fish. Short leaders, the bait just plops to the bottom, less effective. Hooks, keep it simple size according to fish. Sturdy hooks like mustard or omar work best. Pick the right spot. Look for wind blows surface food, algae, insects into corners. Catch as where silverfish naturally gather. Sit there, and you are basically at their buffet. No wind. Thick bays, ponds, or narrow river bends where water currents concentrate food. Insider tip: watch where experienced anglers sit. They often already know the hot spots. Finding the fish layer. This is the trickiest part. Fish depth changes constantly. My method: 1-minute trial. Set your float at a guessed depth, say 1 meter. Cast, lift and drop quickly a few times to stir the bait. Wait 10 minutes. If no bites, adjust the float up or down by 20 厘米. Repeat until the float shows movement, indicating fish presence. Once you find the right layer, stick there. That is where bites will come. 4. Bait state: watching the float. Bait forget fancy flavors at first. Focus on state. The bait should cloud and disperse in the water. Soft but cohesive enough to stay on the hook. Practice mixing at home until you get it right. Float watching: don't get tricked by slow rising or falling floats. That is just bait settling. Real bites are sudden and strong, even half or 1 float increment. Catch as your signal, lift the rod immediately. Closing. These 4 simple tricks: gear comfort, picking the right spot, finding the fish layer, and perfecting bait state are the backbone of my hand rod silverfish strategy. Fishing isn't about memorizing formulas, it's about feeling the water, watching the fish, and practicing until it becomes instinct. Try these out next time you hit the water, and hopefully you'll bend that rod into a perfect ball with a big silverfish on the line. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real fishing tips. Tight lines.